Hey there guys, how's it going? And today what we're going to be talking about is the Roto drain snake. Yeah, this little guy is actually a bit of a lifesaver. It's really good tool to get all that clogged. Every now and then you'll get a drain, especially like in your shower or in your sink in your bathroom, or pretty much anywhere where you have like basically hair. Mostly this is good for hair. And for some reason a lot of hair gets into your sink and your drain from your shower, especially your shower. Especially if you have like females in the house and they're always doing stuff to their hair in the shower, and some of that hair falls out and it just goes right down the drain there. Okay, this is a long plastic snake type deal here. And you see at the end and all along the ridges here are little feelers and grabbers that go all the way up to the top. And what you do is you take this with this handle and you feed this part into your drain, just like that. And you just force it all the way down. And this part, it flexes really easy. So if you have pipes that turn and twist and stuff, it will go along to how the pipe turns and everything. And when it turns and when it bends, it kind of opens up the grabbers and makes it so, like, see this part where it's flat? When it turns, this part opens up, you see, and becomes another grabber. When it bends, it's a good thing. And then once it gets all the way down there, it has an 18-inch reach, so it gets down there pretty far. And once you got it all the way down there, you pull it down and then you slowly yank it all the way back up, all the way up out of your drain. And you will see so much hair and so much stuff come out of your drain because of this little guy. And it just really relieves the clog, and the water will just flow through after that. And it's just really amazing how something so simple could actually make such a big difference. It's a really simple idea that is very useful. I've been using this little guy. Actually, I have two of them, and I keep one in each bathroom. And I use this probably maybe once every 2 months or something, or as I need it. If I see that the drain in my shower is not doing well, like it's taking a long time for the water to drain out, or in my sink or anything like that, I'll give this a go and have it go, put it down there and rinse it out, and voila, you'll see all the beautiful treasure that comes out with this guy. And it grabs really good. These little grabbers are really a good thing to it's like made to grab hair. Yeah, and they're not sharp, so it's not really dangerous. It's just plastic and it's very flexible, but sturdy enough to stay strong when you're pulling this back and forth throughout your drain. So yeah, I really think this is a very good item. I've only seen it in black, and it's probably better because I can see this getting really super dirty, and you wouldn't want a white one. It would look just gunky, I think. Any other color. Black is good, and it works really well. It really does. If you have a clog and you put this down there and pull it out and nothing comes out and your drain is still clogged, that means you have bigger problems. It's probably something much more serious than just hair or, your normal everyday stuff that gets down in there. Yeah, but this is good. I like these a lot. This is a very simple idea that works really well to clean out those nasty clogs. Yeah. Well, guys, okay, well, I hope you guys use this information. And this is the Roto Drain Snake. Yeah. Okay, well, I hope you guys use this. I'll talk to you again soon. All right, bye-bye.